The first person, second person, and third person pronouns in English and Arabic. But of course, we focus more on Arabic because English is very simple. The first person is I, second person is you, third person is he, she, they. So of course, not gonna go much deeper into the English one. But as we study the Arabic pronouns, which are a little bit tough, a little bit difficult. Ana and nahnu. These are the only two words you have to know. This one right here. This speaker pronouns, meaning the first person pronouns, the one who speaks. If I'm speaking, I'm the speaker. I'm the speaker, and I'm the first person. It's called ضمائر المتكلم, pronouns of the speaker, or pronouns of the addresser, or the first person in English. Ana, I, nahnu, we. That's it. So you already know one pronoun, like one category of pronouns in Arabic. So it's Ana means I, nahnu, we. Now the hardest part that comes. I'm gonna read this to you, then don't worry, we can go back to this one and get the English, transliteration for each one. So male or female in Arabic, it's the same thing as for the first person pronoun. It's the same thing in Arabic for male and female. Ana. Look right here. The addresser or the speaker or the first person pronoun right here. Ana means I. This male symbol reads ana, I. The female symbol is also the same thing, I. Two males, nahnu, we. Two females, again the same thing, nahnu, we. More than two, nahnu, and more than two females, also nahnu. So the first person is really simple. The addresser pronouns are really simple. The hardest part in Arabic is this one. I'm saying hard just to make you understand that this is kind of easy, but a little bit complicated. You'll understand as I explain. Addressee, or the one being spoken to, pronouns. Addressee pronouns, or the pronouns the ones being spoken to. In other words, the second person. You both, and you all. Right? In English, it's just you, but in Arabic, we have three kinds of pronouns in the second person. Anta for male, anti for female, and when you address two people, two boys or two men, antuma, and two females, the same thing, antuma. So the dual plural is always the same. The dual plural for males and females put together. The two separate males or two separate females, or one male and one female, you address them as antuma in the second person pronoun, or the addressee pronouns, or the one being spoken to pronouns. I'm just exaggerating too much. Antuma, same thing. And the plural more than two, in other words, three and above. For males, it's just antum, and for females, antun, ending with a noon, with an n. Okay, with a noon. So dual plural is the same, antuma, but for males, dual plural more than two will be antum, and for females, antun. Let's head on to this one, the absentee pronouns. I just wrote it absentee to make you understand that it's talking about someone who's not present, like he, she, they, like he went, he said. So it's kind of absentee pronouns. It's like what stands for the third person pronouns, ضمائر الغائب, the ones who are not present. So absentee pronouns, let's discuss this one. For male, of course, a lot of you guys already know this. This is basic stuff. Male, it's huwa. Female, it's hiya. Two males, huma. Two females, huma. The same thing, I told you. Dual plural is always the same, huma. Like here, antuma. Here it's huma. And of course the first person was nahnu. So the dual plural is the easiest part in this, in this whole lesson. In basic Arabic grammar, this is the simplest thing. Dual plural, always the same for two males, two females, or one male and one female. Same thing. Nahnu, antuma, and huma. And finally, the last one in the third person pronouns, or the absentee pronouns, is hum and hun. Plural more than two. Multi-plural. For males, like three or four, whatever. Three and above. For males, it's hum. For females, it's hun. Just like the previous one, it ends with, for females in multi-plural, antun, ends with a noon. And here it's third person pronouns. It's ends with nun as well. Hun. So it's very simple right here. Now let's look at this one a little bit. So again, in a different way, in the English pronunciation transliteration, you can read it. Addressee pronouns, meaning the one being addressed, the one being spoken to, the second person pronouns. Anta, you, male. Anti, you, female. Antuma, you both, male or female, or both, from each, like 2 males, 2 females, or 1 male, 1 female. Whenever it's 2 people, it's antuma, you both, for the second person. And here, antum, you all. You all is multi-plural, so it's the it's still the second person pronoun. You all, and it's multi-plural, more than 2, 3 and above. Antum, you all males. Antun, you all females. Now let's discuss the final one again, with the English transliteration. Absentee pronouns, the ضمائر الغائب, or the he, she, they. Okay? The third person pronouns. Huwa is he, hiya is she, as we already discussed. Hum, they all, multi-plural or plural more than 2. They all, males, parentheses. Huma, they both, females, parentheses. And hun, they all, females, parentheses. Okay, this was pretty simple. Again, this picture shows NTU female, and here I think it's one guy and a girl. This looks like a teddy bear, but whatever. In the Arabic language, it doesn't matter who's present in the second person. It could be you and a dragon, or something. It could be you and a gorilla. Still, you both would be addressed as antuma. It could be you and a little chicken, and you would still be addressed as antuma. You both. And the girl would be anti. If this was a male, it would be anta. And these are like these females and males together, studying together. This one can be addressed as whom they all, whom they all only for males, more than 2, and whom they all only for females, more than 2. And this picture being addressed as nahnu, we all. Nahnu nadris, like we all are studying, or nahnu nadrisun, or whatever. We're studying. So they're studying together. Nahnu, we all, males, females, same thing. Again, recap. Addresser or the speaker pronouns, ana, for female, ana, male and female, ana, the same thing. And dual pronoun for the first person, nahnu, same thing. And multi-pronoun is in the third person, nahnu, same thing. Addresser or the speaker of the first person is really simple. Now the second person pronouns, anta, you for male, anti, you for female, antuma, you both, males. Antuma, you both for females. Antum, you all, more than 2, males. Antun, you all, more than 3, females. Absentee pronouns or third person pronouns, huwa, he, hiya, she, huma, they both, male, female, same. And the multi-pronoun is more than 2, 3 and above. 3 males, hum, or more. Hum, they all, for males. And hun, they all, for females. So it's really clear right now. So don't forget, in Arabic language there are 2 kinds of plurals. One is a dual plural, like this one. Antuma, huma, dual plural. And another is plural more than 2. Antum and antun. So 2 kinds of plurals, 1 kind of singular. So you guys, I hope you understood everything. Really simple. Just rewind and recap whatever you can. It will be simple for you to understand. So yeah, ضمائر, the lesson of pronouns. Addresser or speaker, first person pronouns. Addressee, or the one being spoken to, second person pronoun, or and finally absentee pronouns, ضمائر الغائب, absentee pronouns. Again, ضمائر المتكلم, speaker pronouns, the first person pronouns. ضمائر المخاطب, addressee pronouns, and ضمائر الغائب, absentee pronouns. So guys, recap, study, make this foundation strong, and then you can really study Arabic and speak Arabic really fluently after you know all these basic grammar rules. Thank you guys. Subscribe.